Hey everyone, it's me, Collector Movie Man, with a special unboxing that I just got. I just opened it like this. Now I'm going to unwrap it and show you guys. Here's the bubble wrap. And let's slowly unbox it. And here we go. I've got Kingdom of Heaven on 4K steelbook. Now, let me get this out of here. I didn't realize I was gonna have this protector case on it, so that's pretty cool. Here's the 4K. Here's all the special features and everything on it. Hopefully you can read it. I know there's a glare, I'm sorry about that. Now I'm gonna cut into it. I am so excited that I got this. I thought I was gonna have to pay a lot of money for it on the aftermarket, but Kyle sent me a link to this website that was selling the movie for 80 bucks. And I bought it off of there because that wasn't too bad. It was better than having to spend close to 150 or 200. Here's the J card. Here's the front again. Sorry about the glare. And this is embossed right here. I really like that. There's the sword on the back, the spine, and then let me open this up. I am not giving anyone this digital code, I am sorry. There's the bonus disc, the two different editions, the director's cut, and the other one is called the Roadshow Director's Cut. Now I'm gonna do this, but I'm very nervous about doing this. So, come on. Sorry guys, discs are being a little, not behaving very well. And then here's the inside artwork. I actually like it. And then here's the front again. All right, everyone, there's my Kingdom of Heaven 4K.